In today's video, I'm going to teach you about using the ActiveCampaign email builder to design your emails effectively, whether you're sending out a newsletter, crafting a promotional message, or setting up an automated email sequence. ActiveCampaign provides a versatile platform to meet your needs. Let's start by accessing the email builder. From your ActiveCampaign dashboard, go to the campaign section and select Create a Campaign. Here you can choose from options like Standard, Automated, or Split Test, depending on the purpose of your email. Once you've decided on the type, select the list of recipients you'd like to send the email to, and then click Next to proceed. Now it's time to choose a template for your email. The platform offers a variety of templates categorized by purpose. You'll find templates for announcements, promotions, newsletters, and welcome emails, among others. If you're feeling creative, you can also start from a blank template, giving you full control over the design. Remember, if you create a design you love, you can save it as a reusable template for future emails, which can save you a lot of time down the road. With your template selected, you'll use the drag and drop editor to design your email. This intuitive tool allows you to easily add elements such as images, text, buttons, dividers, columns, and social links to your email. Simply drag a block into your layout, then click on it to customize the fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment. This flexibility allows you to build an email that truly represents your brand. Moving on to customizing your email design, you'll use the right-hand toolbar for in-depth adjustments. Here, you can modify the background colors, adjust padding and margins, select font families and sizes, and incorporate your brand logo and colors. It's important to ensure that your design aligns with your brand's identity, making it clean, consistent, and especially mobile-friendly. Adding a personal touch to your emails can enhance their effectiveness. In any text block, you can choose to personalize content by inserting fields like the recipient's first name. You might also consider using conditional content, which allows you to tailor messages based on specific attributes, such as offering a special deal to VIP customers. As you build your email, you'll want to include links and buttons. Highlight text and click the link icon to add URLs. Directing recipients to your website or landing page. When adding buttons, drag in a button block, set the link destination, and customize its appearance. Always test these links to ensure they work correctly before sending your email. Before finalizing your email, take advantage of the preview and test feature. Send a test email to yourself to verify mobile responsiveness, correct personalization, functional links, and clear calls to action. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save and send your email. Click Next to review your email summary. Select your target audience and schedule or send your email campaign. With these steps, you'll be able to design and send compelling emails that engage your audience effectively using ActiveCampaign.